Well, I would not make this decision if I didn't believe it was safe for the state of Washington, reasonably safe, given all the things concerned.
Well, the countdown is on tonight at 11:59 p.m. The Washington state indoor mask mandate expires. As of tomorrow, Washingtonians will no longer have to wear a mask in most indoor locations. The state's announcement followed new CDC guidance, which says only counties with high transmission levels should continue to wear a mask inside most places. Now, this actually eased mask recommendations for more than 70% of Americans. In Washington state, masks have been required since the most recent mandate went into effect actually of August of last year.
So during the announcement, Governor Inslee stated the decline in hospitalizations as a reason to drop the mandate. He says the universal access to vaccines and treatment after COVID infection were some of the other factors. Now, earlier this week, SRHD's health officer, Dr. Frank Velasquez, said the number of COVID-related hospitalizations is the lowest it's been in a long time. He is advising the community to be mindful of themselves and others around them.
Every bit we as a community, members of the community, can do to prevent one more case in schools, one more case in hospitals, one more case in a long-term care facility, one more case wherever it may be, is important for us to remain diligent.
Dr. Velasquez also asked the community to respect those who will choose to keep wearing a mask after the mandate ends. Now, with the mandate being lifted, it will now be up to businesses to implement their own requirements if they choose.
KREM 2's Malia Kamal went around and asked different businesses what they plan to do and if their customers will have to still mask up starting tomorrow. So good morning, Malia. Tell us what you found out.
Yes, Tim, I found out that here in Indaba, customers will not have to wear a mask, but right now you can see they're still wearing their masks. It's going to be up to businesses to implement their own requirements. Now, the mandate expires tonight at 11:59. We talked to customers who say that they're excited to be able to see people's faces and that human interaction. Now, after 7 months of wearing a mask indoors, Indaba's owner, Bobby Enslow, says it's refreshing to take the masks off.
All of us are super excited to see everyone's faces. We hired some people during COVID and it'll be like kind of meeting them for the first time because it'll be like, I've never seen your face before. So it's going to be really exciting, and even some new regulars because there's been a lot of folks moving to Spokane. So we're super excited to meet our regulars again and see their face and be like, well, hello, now I know what you look like and not just what you drink.
Now, while you won't have to wear a mask here at Indaba, there are some businesses where masks will still be required. So that's like if you go and see a Broadway show or go to the hospital or even the airport. Live in Spokane, Malia Kamal, KREM 2 News.
Well, like Malia mentioned, masks will still be required in any healthcare or medical facility setting. So again, this includes hospitals and outpatient clinics as well as pharmacies. Masks will also be required on public transit. Now, keep in mind that private businesses and even local governments can still require that their people wear masks if they choose to do so. However, you will no longer need to wear a mask in schools, restaurants, gyms, or grocery stores. Now, if you'd like more information on Washington ending its mask mandate, you can text the word mask to 509-448-2000.